Hey YouTube, let's talk about fleet dash cams in unions. Oftentimes there are problems with implementing dash cams for union workers, and we can understand that challenge and that dilemma, but we also know the importance of having dash cam video when things go wrong. So we have a program called our insurance program, which is very well suited for union environments. And let me explain the insurance program real quick, and you'll start to see what I mean when you think about how businesses interact with unions and things of that nature. So with the insurance program, customers don't actually even get access to the interface, right? Dash cams get installed. There's a low monthly subscription service, which is well below anything that you're seeing right now. And then you only pay for the data that you actually consume. So throughout the course of the month, if you have no accidents, you're paying this very low subscription rate and nothing else, right? If you have an accident, you contact us and then we will download the video for you. And if you came to us and said, hey, I need 10 minutes of video, we would say, no, you need 30 seconds of video. Let's do that first to see if we can get you the information that you need, and then we can get more video if necessary. We don't need to download a gigabyte worth of information and pay for all that extra video, right? So we're there to work with you in that process. And when you think about a union situation, you could have an internal process that management and the union work together. And when a video clip is needed, you could have a two-step sign-off process to get that information. So you can say, hey, we had an accident. The union says, yes, hey, I understand. Let's go ahead and request the video. That comes to us, and then we provide the video back to you. Could be another situation where, hey, I got a driver complaint, or a complaint about a driver's actions, and management wants to see it, but the union said, that doesn't really fall under the employee guidelines. We don't want that video retrieved. And then at that point, internally you guys have said, hey, no, this didn't work, we're not going to get that video. But it eliminates the ability of the company to just go out and get any video that they want at any time. So it's a very advantageous program. The other thing that we know is simply that after the first 60 to 90 days of dash cam deployment, the usage of the system falls way off, right? And under traditional programs, you're paying for a ton of capacity that you're never going to use. So with the insurance program, we keep that monthly subscription absolutely low as possible, and you only get and pay for exactly what you need in video after you've requested it from us. So give Fleet Statistics a call. It's a one-of-a-kind program. It's the best way to save money, but still get the benefits of fleet dash cams for your fleet.